CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.2. Explain the purpose of operating systems. Operating system functions. For Exam Objective 3.2, we're going to continue our discussion of operating systems. But this time, instead of just asking what an operating system is, we're going to dig into what it actually does, its key functions and responsibilities. So let's start with a quick refresher. An operating system, or OS for short, is the fundamental software program that serves as the backbone of a computer or any other computing device. It has the primary job of being the intermediary between the hardware components of the computer and the applications or software running on it. Now that we've covered that core definition again, it's time to take things a step further and look at the specific functions the operating system performs behind the scenes. The operating system does much more than just connect hardware and applications. It plays a vital role in almost everything your computer does. From managing files to maintaining security, the OS is constantly working to ensure your system runs smoothly and efficiently. The key functions we will be exploring throughout this exam objective are disk management, task and process management, application management, device management, and access control. Each one is essential for keeping your system stable, secure, and responsive. Now that you know what's coming, I'll see you in the next video segment as we begin our deep dive into these important OS functions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.